Hi friends, welcome to Art Smart in a Minute. Today we're going to make our very own Mondrian. And all you need is a piece of white paper, a glue stick, some black construction paper or black paper cut into strips, and a couple of pieces of squares of colors and rectangles. I think Mondrian's favorite shape was squares and rectangles. So I'm going to take a black strip of paper, I'm going to put my glue on it, turn it over. When I glue things, I like to press them and count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it sticks. Doesn't matter if your strips are all thin or fat. Different sizes is fine. Put my glue on it. Press it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are vertical, and I remember vertical by the letter V. Vertical means standing up and down. And now I'm going to put some horizontal, which is lying down, where the horizon meets the sky. I'm going to put my glue on it. I think I'll put that one there. And it's okay if your lines are a little crooked, it's okay. Just do what you feel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sometimes you need help with the glue stick. If you only have liquid glue, you can use that too. Let's put this one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That worked. And I think I'll do one more. Glue here. And you could put these strips anywhere you want. I'm going to put this one down low. And oh my. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look what it made. I have squares and rectangles now. So now I'm going to add a little splash of color. I like blue. Let's do some blue. Put glue on my blue. Let's see. And now it's like a puzzle. Where does this square go? Does it go here? No. Does it go here? No. Where do I like it? Ooh, I like it right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to do a piece of yellow. Put my purple glue stick on there. Now, where does this yellow one fit? Does it fit there? No, that's too much. Ooh, does it fit there? I like it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it sticks. And I think I'll do one more color. I like using black because it makes the other colors pop, as my friend Rick Rogers says. So I'm going to put that there. Whoops. And let's see where this one fits. No, no. Ooh, I like it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is my Mondrian. Thanks for getting art smart with us. See you next time.
Do you like to paint?
Yes, we do.
Do you like to sing?
Lally-Loo.
Do you like to draw all day long? Get art smart with me.